Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a listing for your aircraft on Flight Club Get Live. To start off, we want to make sure we are signed in. To get signed in, you wanted to look at your top right corner and click the button Sign In. From here, enter your email address and your password. Then click Sign In. When you're signed in, you want to navigate to the top right corner and click the menu button. And then you click List your aircraft. On the first drop-down menu will be for the selection of your aircraft registration or tail number. Then enter manufacturer on your aircraft. I'm going to find Cessna. And selected Cessna. Then you want to enter your aircraft model. I'm going to find Cessna 172. Now enter the year and select the base airport of your location. Now search for your aircraft location. Here you can add the description of your aircraft. You can add what avionics or special equipment sets your aircraft has. If your aircraft has any enhanced capabilities, such as flying in nighttime, AFR, you can select it. Here, I'm going to choose the price at which I want to set my aircraft hourly rate to be. In this page, we're going to add any aircraft photos you have. We recommended you at least your 4 photos on your listings to increase your bookings. Once I'm done uploading my photos, I can click Create your listing. On this page, it's asking for a number of passenger seats, so I'm going to click 3. If you know your aircraft's useful load, you can enter it down below. After that, you can also upload the documents of weight and balance and pilot's operating handbook. In this section, you can select your insurance coverage. If your existing coverage already allows aircraft sharing or rental uses, choose the first option. And you can select the second option to get help obtaining commercial insurance with Flight Club. Then you can review the details of the fleet policy design for aircraft sharing. And choose how you want to track the hourly rate. Whether through Hubsmeter, talk time, flight time. I'm going to select Hubsmeter. In this case, you do want to charge a monthly subscription fee, you can select it. The next question it's going to ask is for you to deposit information. You'll need to set up a Stripe account to get your earnings is directly deposited into your bank account. Stripe, this is a third-party payment processing service. You can set up now or continue, but you'll need to set up Stripe before your listing is active. On the next section, it's pilot's requirements. It's asking for license, so I'm going to say the private pilot, and the next, it's asking for ratings, so I'm going to say night and instrument. Then it's asking for currency requirements for my aircraft, in which 60 days is recommended. In this section, you can choose specific restriction for your aircraft. I'll choose tourist action as an example. Then you can add any booking information. Flight Club has provided a placeholder text to help you fill in the information required. You can also write the description on what pilots should be reminded for when closing a flight. When you're done, click Update your listing. You successfully created your listing.